Hey there! If you're struggling to find video ideas that actually get views, stick around because I've got a game changer for you. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating content that stands out can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you there's a way to make this process not only easier, but also incredibly effective? That's right. We're diving into the secrets of VidIQ 2025, a tool that's revolutionizing the way creators approach their content strategy. This free tool just helped me find a video idea with 2.3 million views in under 60 seconds. Imagine the possibilities when you can pinpoint exactly what your audience wants to see. No more guesswork, no more trial and error, just pure data-driven insights that can catapult your channel to new heights. Here's exactly how to use VidIQ in 2025 to jumpstart your channel, even if you have 0 subscribers. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, VidIQ offers tools that cater to all levels of experience. From keyword research to competitor analysis, this platform has it all. Alright, let's talk about the problem. Many creators spend hours brainstorming ideas, only to end up with content that doesn't perform well. It's frustrating, right? You put in all that effort, and the results just don't match up. But what if you could eliminate that frustration? Without VidIQ, you're basically guessing what works. And in a landscape as competitive as YouTube, guessing just isn't good enough. You need a strategy, a roadmap that guides you to success. That's where VidIQ comes in. Trust me, in 2025, the algorithm only rewards proven trends. So let's hack them. By leveraging VidIQ's powerful analytics, you can identify these trends and tailor your content to meet the demands of your audience. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what will work. First up, the low-hanging fruit trick. This strategy focuses on finding topics that are easy to rank for but still have a high potential for views. It's all about maximizing your efforts and getting the most out of your content. This is where it gets juicy. Open up VidIQ and click on the filters for high score and low competition. These filters help you zero in on topics that are not only popular but also have less competition, giving you a better chance to stand out. These 2 filters are your best friends. They'll help you find untapped gold mines that other creators aren't even aware of. Imagine being the first to cover a trending topic. Your video could be the one that everyone flocks to. I'll link my preset below so you can try it out yourself. Next, let's talk titles. Crafting the perfect title is an art form, and VidIQ's tools make it easier than ever. VidIQ's new 2025 feature is an AI title generator. It's like magic. This tool takes your basic idea and transforms it into a title that's optimized for clicks and engagement. Watch it transform this dud of a title into a click-through rate monster. The difference is night and day, and you'll see an immediate impact on your video's performance. You just type in your basic idea, and bam, you've got a winner. It's that easy. No more second guessing or spending hours trying to come up with the perfect title. Alright, now for the secret score nobody uses. I'm talking about the audience retention score. This metric is crucial for understanding how well your content is keeping viewers engaged. Forget about views for a second. While views are important, they don't tell the whole story. Audience retention is what really matters when it comes to the algorithm. This number is what predicts if YouTube will push your video to more people. The higher your retention, the more likely your video is to be recommended to new viewers. Here's the trick. Keep viewers hooked till the very end, and VidIQ will show you exactly how to do that. With detailed analytics and insights, you can see where viewers are dropping off and make adjustments to keep them engaged. It's like having a roadmap to viral success. Every piece of data you need is right at your fingertips, guiding you every step of the way. Okay, time for some action. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to put them into practice. Don't just sit on this information, use it to transform your channel. Try VidIQ free with my link below. This is your chance to get ahead of the competition and start seeing real results. I'm also giving away a free 2025 keywords list. These keywords are specifically chosen to help you rank higher and attract more views. Just scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description. It's that simple. Get your hands on these valuable resources and start optimizing your content today. And hey, comment IQ 2025 if you want my custom keyword preset. This preset is designed to give you a competitive edge and make your videos more discoverable. Trust me, this will change your YouTube game. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start using VidIQ to grow your channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss another tip. See you next time. Your journey to YouTube success starts now.